Welcome back, and today I would like to show you one more easy stitch for beginners that I'm going personally use for the baby blanket. Here I need a ribbon part, need 1 purl 1, and then the pattern itself. So I absolutely like how it looks. So if you want to use this stitch for something, please cast on the number of stitches that is divisible by 8 plus 6 extra stitches and plus 2 selvage stitches. And let's get started. So the first row, slip the first stitch, purl 4, sorry, 2, 3, 4, and knit 4, 2, 3, 4, and repeat, purl 4, knit 4, and finish with purl 4. And purl the last stitch, that is the selvage stitch. The second row, slip the first stitch, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, and purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat again. Knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 4, and at the end knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, and purl the last stitch. So now you are going to repeat. In the third row, knit as the first one. The fourth row, knit as the second one. The fifth row, knit as the first row, and the sixth row, knit as the second row. So repeat, knit 4 more rows. I've done 6 rows in total, and the 7th row, knit 4, purl 4. Knit 4, purl 4. And knit 4. Purl the last stitch. Turn. Row number 8, slip the first stitch, purl 4, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, repeat, purl 4, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 4, that's it. And now you're going to repeat as you did for the first part. Knit row number 9 as row number 7, row number 10 as row number 8, row number 11 as row number 7, and row number 12 as row number 8. So 4 more rows. And you will get the pattern that I was showing before, this one. So if you are looking at perfect and easy stitch for baby blanket or for the sweater or cardigan, so trust me, this is the perfect one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.